Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Stumblers. In this video, I will explain how to play alone in Stumble Guys. This unique approach lets you hone your skills without the chaos of a full lobby. Imagine practicing tricky jumps or finding shortcuts repeatedly, all at your own pace. We will cover the simple steps to set up a private match, allowing you to focus entirely on improving your gameplay. This method is perfect for anyone looking to gain a competitive edge and truly understand each map's nuances. To begin your solo practice, head to the Party section on the main screen. Here, you will find the option to create Party, which generates a unique 6-digit code. Do not share this code with anyone. The goal is to keep your party completely empty. While public matches need at least 30 players to start, a custom party allows you to bypass this requirement. This setup is the key to unlocking your private training ground, giving you full control over your practice sessions. Once your empty party is created, simply press the play button. The game will display a message indicating that there are not enough players to start a match. Do not worry about this. It is part of the process. After a brief moment, you will be loaded into a game all by yourself on a randomly selected map. This is your private arena. You can now practice jumps, slides, and map layouts repeatedly, without any distractions or pressure from other players, for as long as you wish. To get the most out of your solo sessions, concentrate on specific parts of maps that give you trouble. Try out various routes and discover hidden shortcuts that could save you precious seconds in competitive play. This is also the perfect environment to practice advanced techniques, such as perfectly timed dive dashes and precise landings. Regular solo practice, even for just 15 or 20 minutes a day, will dramatically improve your muscle memory and strategic thinking, making you a much more formidable stumbler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.